Hi guys, I'm Shani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Gomane. I share business ideas that you can all relate to as South Africans. So if you like the type of content that I create, please consider to subscribe, to hit the notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video. Guys, Happy New Year. It's been a very long time since I have posted a video, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed your festive season. So guys, this year I've got exciting news because I won't be focusing on people who want to do business only, but I will also be focusing on those who are looking for jobs, because at the end of the day, we cannot all be businessmen or businesswomen. There are people who prefer to work, so we need to accommodate them as well. So I am going to post jobs on my YouTube videos so that people can apply for those jobs, guys. So let's make sure that guys, we subscribe, we share, so that we can help other people. If you feel that the information it won't help you, please share the information to those whom you know that it will be helpful to them. So without wasting time, let's talk about today's business idea. So guys, today we are going to talk about furniture flipping. So guys, this is actually one of the easiest business that you can do, because you don't need a lot of money to start with this business. You don't need experience, you don't need a lot of equipment. So guys, you can actually buy used furniture from marketplace on Facebook, Gumtree, OLX, Bid or Buy, or in other shops that you can think of. So guys, this is how it works. You buy that furniture and then you refurbish it and sell it for profit. So let's make an example using a chest of drawers. So guys, let's say you buy it, maybe you bought it for like 500 or 700. It will depend on the size or on how old it is. So what you can do, you can just sand the whole chest of drawer, repaint it or apply varnish, or you can also change the handles or add anything that you feel that it will make that chest of drawer to look unique and to look brand new. So you can sell it for over 2,000 rand or 3,000 rand. It will depend on your target market, or it will depend on how much time you spend on that chest of drawer and how much money you have spent on that chest of drawer. So simple as that, guys. So you don't need skills, as I have mentioned, because already they have designed the chest of drawer for you. So what you need to do, it is just to refurbish it and sell it for profit. So you can sell it again on marketplace, you can sell it on Google or on OLX, you can sell it on Gumtree, and you can also sell it on Bid or Buy as well. So you just need to make sure that, okay, you trust the people that you are buying from, and you trust the people that you are selling to, because guys, it is not safe these days. But that is what I wanted us to talk about today. So guys, I will see you on the next video, and remember guys, this year we will be posting jobs as well. So please guys, don't forget to share, to like, and to subscribe. Guys, I will see you on the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.